In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up time tracking in Gusto. To begin, sign into your Gusto account and look at the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Find and click Time and Attendance. This is the area where you control time tracking settings, choose how employees clock in, and decide how overtime and breaks are handled. Once you are in Time and Attendance, go to the Time Tracking section. If time tracking is not already active, you will need to enable it. Open the time tracking settings, click Edit, switch the setting to Enabled, and then click Save. Saving is important here because it updates your account and makes the time tracking options available for the rest of the setup. After you save, stay in the same area by going back to Time and Attendance in the left menu and selecting Time Tracking again. From here, choose the option to set up time tracking. This guided setup helps you make a few key choices so time tracking works correctly for your team. Next, you will be asked to select employees. Choose the employees who should be included in time tracking, then click Next. Take your time on this screen, because only the people you select will be able to track time using this setup. If you manage different roles, you can keep the selection aligned with who needs hourly tracking. Now choose a clock-in method. You will see options such as web or mobile or kiosk. Select the method that fits your workplace, and then click Next. Web and mobile is a good fit when employees use their own devices. Kiosk is typically used when everyone clocks in from a shared device at a specific location. Whichever option you choose, consistency makes time entries easier to review later. Finally, set your overtime and break policy. Select the policy that matches how you run payroll and comply with your local requirements. Then click Save and Finish. This step helps ensure hours, breaks, and overtime are calculated in a way that stays organized when you run payroll. Once you save and finish, time tracking is set up and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.